Yesterday, PI Konkan Railway had received information from PI RPF margao, informing that two male persons would be description was given, and the information was that both these persons would be visiting Margao railway station, and they would be carrying consignment of whale vomit, ambergris. The timing was mentioned as per the information, and PI Konkan Railway, along with the RPF staff, with the assistance of forest official, a raid was conducted, and both the persons, as per the descriptions, were traced, and they were located, and a raid was conducted, and from their possession, whale vomit, which is an illegal substance, was seized from their possession. Its weight is 5 kg 694 grams, and 1 kg of whale vomit costs around more than a crore. So the cost of the seized article is 5 crore 60 lakhs 94,000 rupees. 5 crore 60 lakhs 94,000. So this suspected ambergris would be now sent for analysis during the course of investigation.
The name of the accused and accuser from?
The accused are Arun Rajan, age 30 years, and Nibin Varghese, age 29 years, from both a native of Kerala. Basically, this ambergris is a sticky, waxy substance which is produced in the digestive tract of the whale, sperm whale, and sperm whale vomits it, as the name suggests. And what happens largely is whales are largely hunted to extract this ambergris from its digestive tract. So that is the reason whales are endangered species, protected species, and carrying any of its byproduct like of the whale is prohibited under Wildlife Protection Act. So we have booked an offence, and we have obtained 5 days police custody remand, and further investigation is in progress.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.